Okay. For the instruction for activity number 2, 1. Think of a scenario in your field where the concepts of the activity 1 can be applied. Make an output based on that scenario. Describe clearly the scenario that you will make and discuss how to utilize vlookup and other features in the Excel application based on the output that you make. So, okay, let's start. Now, on the first instruction, we were told to make a scenario. So this is the scenario that I made. Every end of the graduating grading period, we always hand out the report cards of the students to their parents guardians. However, some of the parents are after holding the report card, some of it gets dirty, some have tears, and worse, some even lost it. So to give an answer to this problem, I devised this mini card. Instead of giving the original report card, this mini card can be an alternative. So that report card can be clean and neat for checking at the end of the school year. So these are the steps on how to make this mini card. So these steps I put on. So you have time to read this. Okay, so that is the step. So now I will show you how to make those mini cards. So now first we have this first grading sheet. So this is the consolidated grades for first grading of grade 9 Diamond. So this class is my advisory class last year. Okay, so now before we start, we have to use now this, or we have to highlight this part and then use name manager, create new, and all this highlighted part will be named again as datas. So close. Then we go now to mini card. So let be familiarized with the columns because we are going to need that momentarily. Okay, so student number ID. So on first grading, we have this 1 to up to 20. So we have the 1 to 20 student numbers. We have to use 1 for Alvin Alonte. But it doesn't show Alonte Alvin here. So for it to show there, we have to use now vlookup. Vlookup, and then the lookup value for it is B1, and then the table array is datas, the one that we named earlier, and then the column number for the student name is column number 2, and then write false for the exact match. So if we enter this, so the number 1 or the student number 1 is Alonte Alvin. Let us see if it's correct. So 1 is Alonte Alvin. So it's correct. So now let us write the first grading rating on Filipino. So let us use vlookup, and then use now student number 1 or B1. The table array is datas, and then column number 1 or the column number for Filipino is 3, and then put false for the exact match. False, and then enter. So the grade for Alvin Alonte for the first grading in Filipino is 75. Let us see if it's correct. So Filipino, we have 75. Now in this part, so we have to press function 2, B1. On B1, press F4 of function 4. So enter. So we have 75. It doesn't change. So drag this down on until mape. So as you can see, they're all the same. So we have to change that. So on English, press function 2. So English is on the fourth column. So we have to write 4. So enter. While mathematics, press again function 2. It's on the fifth column. Science, press again function 2. It's on the sixth column. While Araling Panlipunan is on the seventh column. Edukasyon sa pagpapakatao, it's on the eighth column. And on TLE, press function 2. It's on the ninth column. So we have 78. While MAPE, if you see it on the first grading sheet, it's on the 12th column. So let us replace 3 by, it's not from 12. It's 14 from the 14th column. So enter. Let's see if it's correct. 75, 73, 73, 75, 75, 78, 75. So let us see. 75, 73, 73, 70, 75, 75, 78, and 75. So it is correct. So the average, we have to use this. Average. And then get all the ratings. And then enter. So we now have the average for 74.63. So this is now the mini card. Simple as that. So let us now try number 20. So if we have number 20, she is Gabella Rhea Joy. Let us see if it's correct. 20, Gabello Rhea Joy. So her grade, 87, 86, 85, 80. 87, 86, 85, 80. So 88, 83, 87. So 88, 88, 87, 88, 85 point. So it is correct. So this is now your student mini card. Now to add something, using now conditional formatting, we can find out, or the parents could find out, what are their failing subjects. So we have to put less than 75. So according to Gabella Rejoy, her grade is not failing because we don't see any red marks. So again, let us now use number 1. As you can see, there are red ones or pink ones. This is meaning to say this has, or her or his grade has failing subjects. So this is now what you call the student mini card. So this is made by me, Victor Russell G. Makabuhay. So thank you.